What's up, everybody? So, as you can probably tell, I am super excited that my ZenCarbonfiber carbon fiber steering wheel has finally arrived. I feel like I've been waiting a lifetime for this thing. In reality, it's been more like a month and a half, but hey, same, right? So, I mean, you guys saw the up close pictures. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't even want to touch it. That's how beautiful it is. Yes, it's a product and an item, yes, but it is also just a pure work of art that I cannot wait to see in the driver's seat in the cockpit of my car. So let me first start off by answering a couple questions that I know you guys are going to have. Number one, there was no core exchange. I didn't have to send in my wheel or anything like that, or send in a wheel. The base core is included in the price. Number two, the wheel is covered under a 2-year warranty, or at least the carbon fiber pieces are, from cracking or fading or anything like that. So you have 2 years, and they come UV coated and protected as well. Everything is 100% handmade. It takes hours to complete this wheel by the ZenCarbonfiber team. And I will say this, huge shout out to ZenCarbonfiber, by the way. They have the best customer service ever. Really good customer service nowadays is hard to come by. It's almost impossible to find. But I mean, these folks answered my inquiries almost immediately every time I messaged them, trying to figure out where in the design and production process my wheel was. They were more than patient with all my questions and inquiries and everything. So huge shout out to ZenCarbonfiber. This modification is becoming increasingly popular among automotive enthusiasts. Now that, these wheels are easy to take off and whatnot, aftermarket companies can make their own like sporty versions of wheels, and it's amazing. So I suggest you guys, if you've ever wanted to spice up your interior in a truly classy and premium way, I suggest you guys jump on this, because this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Once again, I custom spec'd this wheel, so I requested the red centering racing stripe. I requested the red stitching. I requested that they withhold the ST logo here. I thought it looked cleaner with just nothing there. So I spec this wheel to my liking. You can spec yours to your liking. They have plenty of colors and different things to choose from. You can actually get this piece right here. You can get this inlaid with carbon fiber as well. Just keep in mind that that's going to be an extra charge, so just keep that in mind. As far as pricing goes, I'm not going to release any of the pricing details. Hit up ZenCarbonfiber on Instagram, hit them up on Facebook. Like I said, they have great customer service, so they get back to you, and they're always looking to save the customer money. I'll promise you this, you will not find a cheaper carbon fiber wheel for your Focus ST anywhere besides ZenCarbonfiber. Trust me, I looked, I was in the market, and it was too good to pass up. This is 100% brand new, built to my spec. This wasn't something that was, it's not like a scratch and dent. It wasn't, overstock. This is 100% custom me. So you guys can go get yours if you want, and, have an awesome looking wheel in your interior. My wheel, the car's 5 years old. It started to fade and peel already. So this is going to be amazing. This wheel honestly looks like, it's more at home in like an Audi R8 or a Huracan or a Ferrari 488. It doesn't look like it belongs in a Ford Focus ST, but hey, I spend all of my time in my car in the driver's seat, and I touch the steering wheel every time I drive. So if you think about it, it makes sense to upgrade the things that you use the most, and you use the steering wheel every time you drive the car. So, to me, it's an investment, especially with a car that is as heavily modified as my Focus ST is. And I plan on keeping this car forever. So, it's just one more drop in the bucket that, you know, looks amazing, and it is truly a work of art. So figured you guys would appreciate this, you know, this unveiling video. I'm not going to install this wheel right now or today. Like I said, I spent all day waiting for this thing to come, and you know, I kept getting pushed back, so I had to push some other events aside. So I've got to go make up for that now. But in a later video, I will install the wheel and take it for a test drive and let you guys know what I think about it. All right, till next time, guys. See you later.